In this video, we're going to make a powerful survival meal that costs about $1, uses shelf-stable ingredients, and cooks in just one pot with very little fuel. This is a khichdi-style dish, an ancient recipe of rice and lentils that has fed people for about 10,000 years and is still a daily staple in many parts of the world today. It's warm, simple, and will keep you going strong despite the disasters around you. This is, hands down, one of the best emergency meals you can make that's both incredibly shelf-stable and super nutritious. We will guide you through the ingredients, the cooking method, and stick around to the end, and I'm going to show you a few of the hundreds of variations that will keep this basic meal fresh and palate-pleasing using whatever you have on hand. Ingredients. You only need a few pantry staples: equal parts dry lentils and rice. Here I'm going to use a cup of each. Dried onions and minced garlic. I'll use a tablespoon of each. 1 bouillon cube or a spoonful of stock powder. Optional spices: turmeric, curry, cumin, chili flakes, salt, pepper. This entire mix is shelf-stable for years if stored in jars or vacuum-sealed pouches. You can pre-assemble multiple batches to keep it in your pantry, bug-out bag, or emergency bin. And here's why this meal matters. 1 cup of cooked lentils and rice delivers around 14 to 16 grams of protein, over 35 grams of complex carbs, and plenty of iron, potassium, and fiber. Together, lentils and rice form a complete protein, something rare in plant-based meals. That means your body gets all 9 essential amino acids, even without meat. The cooking process. Here's the big reason this recipe is such a winner in my book. Here I packaged all the ingredients together in this jar. If I throw in an oxygen absorber, this will keep for years on my shelf. Because the ratios are so simple, the contents of the jar can be thrown into the pot, and then I can use the same jar to add my 4 parts of water. If I needed to take this with my bug-out bag and cook it on the road, it's so simple and easy to do. Combine them in your pot at a ratio of 1 part rice and lentils to 4 parts water. Add in your bouillon, onion, garlic, and spices. In my case, that's all in the jar. I'm going to add in a wild-growing Egyptian walking onion and a couple of green beans from my garden, just for some flavor and color, but here you could throw in anything you could forage. Bring it all to a boil, and once boiling, cover and reduce to a low simmer. Cook for about 25 to 35 minutes, stirring occasionally. Technically, once you have the ingredients to a boil, you can seal it in an insulated pot that can hold the heat well and extinguish the flame if you have to, and it will continue to cook. That's another advantage if your cooking options are challenging. You're going to get a better consistency and a faster cook if you let it simmer on the heat source. You're looking for a soft, porridge-like consistency. If it thickens too much, just add a little water. This can be done on a small camp stove, over coals in a Dutch oven, with a solar cooker, or right on your stove top like we're doing here. Minimal fuel, 1 pot, simple cleanup. This could not be easier. Why this is a must-have meal. This recipe hits every mark for survival or emergency meal. It costs very little to make, yet it leaves you full and energized. This recipe will provide 7 or 8 servings. The combination of protein from the lentils and complex carbohydrates from the rice gives your body steady fuel and solid nutrition. It works even when your measurements are rough and your ingredients are limited. It was made for hard times when wasting food, fuel, or effort is simply not an option. Yet it can be enjoyed any day of the week when you don't know what to eat or you don't have a lot of time and effort to put into cooking something that's tasty and nutritious. Also, you don't need fresh ingredients, refrigeration, or electricity. The dry mix can sit on your shelf for years, ready whenever you are. Whether that's a grab-and-go bug-out situation, a family emergency, or simply a Tuesday night, this one is a winner. When the time comes, all you need is clean water and a heat source. That could be a campfire, a small stove, or even a solar cooker. With just that, you'll have a warm, nourishing meal that can carry you through blackouts, disasters, or long stretches off-grid. Stretching the meal. This base is just the beginning. To stretch this meal into a full meal, you can add freeze-dried or canned vegetables like carrots, spinach, peas, or kale, foraged greens like dandelion, lamb's quarters, or plantain, canned meats like chicken, tuna, sardines, or roast beef. You can even drizzle a little olive oil or add flavor to further enhance the flavors and provide some essential fats to your diet. This one-pot meal can keep you warm, full, and moving with almost no cost or effort. It's one of the most practical things you can have in your prepping toolkit. To print this recipe, head over to cityprepping.com/lentils. You're going to want to check out our next video on how to make emergency flatbread with just flour and salt. It pairs perfectly with this dish. And take a look at our 47 affordable protein alternatives to expand your sources and options for this essential nutrient. As always, stay safe out there.